Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Daniel, and in today's video we are going to be working with Django. Django is basically a Python framework that is used to build the backend of websites. So in today's video we are going to see how you can integrate Django to this website template. Basically, this website template is I'm currently accessing it from my local machine, and it's a free template I got from this website, free CSS. Here you can get tons of templates which you can use either to practice working with any backend language, or also to customize your own website. So what we need to know about Django, basically why would anyone think of using Django, and here are some of the reasons. Basically, when working with Django, you can be sure you will not have as much struggle building an admin interface, because Django has an inbuilt admin interface. So basically you just need to write some codes and everything will be set up. We are going to see that in our video. Also, Django uses an ORM method whereby you just need to create some classes, and your database will be created and all the necessary tables. So once you define some classes and then do some it is also has a friendly ecosystem of integrating both the static files and the website template. For instance, such template that we're having here, we will see how you can easily integrate them on your website using Django. Also, Django will assist us in ensuring that our contact page works as we expect. Then for Django, why it sets itself aside from other coding languages, that is other backend languages, there is a huge community behind Django. Basically, if you are lost, you can always be sure that the community behind Django is willing to assist you in resolving whatever issues that you are facing. If you just search for any challenge, most of them you will find that they are common challenges and somebody has given a solution for that. It has also an improved security system, whereby in terms of form submission, it has an inbuilt cross-site request forgery that will prevent malicious code from being injected into your website through forms. So in this video, we are just going to have an overview of how to add a backend to this website and learn some key features of what Django has to offer. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video.